Hi guys, welcome to the Combustion Clinic. Today we're doing something extra special. This is Ben's BMW E36 323i Saloon. We're undergoing a full detail on it today. Yesterday doing the decon wash, really getting in the arches. We even jacked it up and did the underneath of the car. But now it's time to really get out as many defects as we can. It's never going to come up perfect, but I think we can make it a load better. Ben's on his way down here now to bring us some goodies, something that we're going to protect the car with, something we've not done ever before, so we're really excited to see how that goes. I'll take you on the journey on how we're going to correct this car, what we're going to use, what works for us, what we found has worked best on this car. There's a couple of spots that have been repainted before, there's a couple of areas we need to avoid, there's only so much detailing you can actually do. Some stuff's just have to require paint. So I'm just going to give you a quick walk around of Ben's E36 on what we expect to do. So you can see over here, this portion of the car is looking rather glossy. And if I just bring a light to it, you can see I've already started with a bit of test correction on some bits of this bonnet. There's a couple of deeper scratches around here that just need a bit more educating, I suppose, but like you see, the bonnet here is just covered in swirl marks compared to here, so we're really after getting this to this as best we can. He's on his way to join us today. He's picked up a coating that we're going to be putting on the car, so I think it's a ceramic or a silica ceramic, I'm not too sure. I don't know if it's a full thoroughbred, I've not had a look at it yet. We're going to be topping that with some CarPro Reload, so that's going to be nice. Just something to give this car a bit more protection than your average rock wax for something like that. I mean, I've got graphene coatings and whatever, but for this car, Ben doesn't want to be, keeping on top of it every week. It's one of those things where, at the end of the day, it makes more sense to do a ceramic, which is sometimes a bit difficult to judge whether what you need and what your customer needs. I mean, obviously Ben's my mate, but at the same time we've got to think what's the best option for Ben and for keeping this car as in tip-top shape as possible. Like I say, the car's come out so well, I think it'd be rude not to put some really nice protection on it.
So, plan is, Adam's got the E36, he's currently started cutting it all, and we haven't got any protection for it. I've got no wax, got no ceramic, which means I'm going to have to go and get some, and then I'm going to go give him a hand, or try to give him a hand, or probably hinder him, so we shall see. So we just got to Max detailing, you can see, in Lee, sound lads, some reload, got some ceramic because Adam forgot to buy it. Blame Adam, it's always Adam's fault. So I'm going to head to Adam's now, go and give him the goods. The sat nav says I'll be 28 minutes and yeah, there doesn't seem to be that much traffic, but we'll see. Get the gear, get the goods back on, or we'll just throw them everywhere. That's good, isn't it?
So here we are. We've done the bonnet, we've done the roof, we've done the tailgate top, and we've just started cutting the side. Now, obviously this is a high wear side, so this is where you're going to be hitting, you know, bushes and all that kind of stuff. So it's never going to be 100%. There's some really deeper ones around this area, but you know, like the mirror caps came out all well, and of course the side of the car looks absolutely fantastic. So I'm dead chuffed with how that's come out so far. I've still got to do the rear door and the quarter panel, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. What's going on? It's getting a bit lighter now and we are nearly finished. Ben is just now cutting the top part of the pillar. We've just got the front wing to do and the front and rear bumpers. Car is looking crazy.
Nearly there.
Fucking hope so. It's getting on.
Look at us thinking we're professional.
What even time are we on?
Great question. So on today's episode of How Do You Change a Head with Adam, can you do a very inspirational, informative...
I'm never doing this again.
This was your idea.
I know.
To swap the heads.
It's just so fiddly. So fiddly. Look at that. Talk to spec, obviously.
So yeah, I heard it go click.
Ready to go?
And what about mine?
So it's meant to be.
Oh yeah, but is that? Am I using that one then?
You're using this now.
What? And then you're gonna?
I'm gonna use yours.
Oh, because it's got a smaller head.
Well, I say I'm gonna use yours. I'm gonna use mine.
It's yours that I'm using. You're gonna use that with a smaller head. Why have you? What? What are you doing?
Oh, it's so when I pull this, it's just gonna.
Oh, fair enough. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Alright, crack on.
Just like this, yeah?
Just do it just like that with that. Yeah, it'll come. Oh, you didn't put any compound on it.
Oh! Anyway, this is how silky smooth it's looking right now. I mean, when it focuses, there you go. Look at the gloss. Oof.
Gloss for days.
What are we saying?
I rate it. Good. Just need to get it coated now, don't we? And then it'll be about 3 in the morning by the time that's done. I've not really got any idea how to do it.
Just so you know, neither do I. I've got a rough idea on how ceramics work, but this is totally new to me, this CarPro one, so maybe Will will know. Maybe Will is the master.
Is there any spanners involved?
Is there any what?
Spanners involved.
Spanners.
Will ain't gonna know.
Yeah, our certified mechanic is going to be the one supplying.
Yeah, the actual mechanic.
Yeah, the actual like full-blown mechanic.
He's here now, actually.
Is he?
Yeah, hello.
Oh.
Are you here?
Adam, I can't get in. Oh, I can. Oh, shit. Go on in, lad. Get in, it's warm.
We've got little oil cap. All the gear and no idea. Literally, absolutely zero idea. First gear, I thought, oh, a bit wet, a bit icy. I'll do a little bit of a clutch kick in this gear. And I did, and then went into second and something just went ding, and I have no idea what is going on. So I had to baby it all the way there pretty much. So I need to jack it up and have a look, but I think it's the prop.
Can you see any reason why it was making a horrible noise? Oh, Jesus. Well.
Oh, I can see the issue. Is it? Oh.
Oh, very nice.
Will it bite? What are you whinging for? He's got it. See?
Me and you both know it's not tightening up.
It will. As soon as I put it on power, I thought, this.
Yeah, that's
I think it's the diff moving around, you know, under load.
Mate, it's took the thread on it.
Why's that happened?
You've over tightened it, friend. Is it an alley mount? Yes. Is it?
Cast. No, it's cast.
What, cast or alloy?
No, I don't know.
Mate, it's not cast.
It's cast. It's the diff casing.
Mate.
I thought maybe one of these, because the prop did go, and I have had a new UJ on it.
Yes, I know.
Shout out to
Mate,
Northwest Prop Shaft in Chorley.
you, eh?
Is it?
Metal coming
no.
off of that.
Fuck.
Oh no. Get a longer bolt, eh?
The diff bolt as the front one is not looking good.
The diff's got to come off.
Telecoil it, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, is it threaded?
Yeah.
That's because you've cross-threaded it putting it on.
I haven't cross-threaded
You
it.
fucking lying bastard.
Why would I cross-thread it putting it on?
I've got a tap and die kit.
Oh, he has.
Has it? Is it on thread?
And it's shit.
Mate, it's not gonna.
Do you like this exhaust bolt as well? Do you think it's long enough?
Oh no! Why have you done that?
Oh no.
Oh, this
I hope
is
you're
piping.
recording.
You can't say that.
It's just
You're
dodgy.
not recording it?
Yep.
I can't say it. I've said it. Mate, I am a Jeremy Clarkson of the world.
Well, at least my UJ's not knackered. Maybe every time I did a drift, I mean, on the track, and I did a drift.
On what track?
On
Been on a
private
track?
roads, when we do drifts. Maybe this bolt, do you know when it wheel hops?
It goes-
Maybe this has got something to do with it.
Do you reckon?
I don't know. Because there's nothing else it can be. Maybe we should double check that everything's tight. I won't lie.
Do you not reckon you've tightened it all up?
Well, I thought so, clearly. But, you know,
Clearly not. Are we taking the diff off or
I
what?
don't want to drop the diff.
Mate, it's not going to tighten up that. There is only one way of fixing it.
I'll have to run a tap for it. We'll run a tap for it first and see if it bites.
This is what Will does in his spare time. Looks in buckets of bolts underneath rusty cars.
Correct.
Got the love juice there.
Brake, running meth. Oh yeah, she's soaking up into the pores. Yeah, I filmed that.
Oh god.
Oh yeah, she's soaking up.
Into the pores. That is literally what just came out of your mouth.
Yeah.
And it is
What time is it?
very getting late.
What, on the Honda Civic?
On the Civic Type.
What, you want to do a video on the Civic?
No, you need to just overlay a
Yeah, we'll do a video on the Civic soon.
Look at Castle Garden.
Powered by K20.
K20. What goes into making like a video? Like you know you see like the creators.
Well, we'll find out when we've done this.
They usually have editors.
Yeah, not people that know how to turn a computer on, probably.
And they're like, yeah, I've got Final Cut Pro on trial.
How many days are left on Final Cut Pro trial?
2 months. 2 months.
Do you reckon
We got time.
We'll be able to do it.
We got time to do a series.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, look at the streaking.
Can you see it evaporating? That's a big word for a Wednesday afternoon.
Evap.
These better be saucy shots.
Anyway, so the plan is today to finally finish the 36. Ben's here to give me a hand. So, final stages is to top the ceramic coating with CarPro Reload. Dress up the plastics from any polishes that we had on.
Isn't that plastics to me?
No, I mean it should clean up pretty nicely. And that's it really. Not much left.
So what are we on? Day 3 of this shit. What a ceramic. Oh my god, I can smell it from here.
It's got the choc too. You've got one way and one the other. That's the end of the E36 detail. Ben's just about to take it home now. Stay tuned with everything else that we do at the Combustion Clinic. Special thanks to Will coming down to help us as well. He'll be featured a lot more, the more crazy shit we do. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care.
Look at us thinking we're professional. So, how long have you been detailing?
Oh, I've been detailing about 10 years, mate. 10 years. Never let me down. Bit of fucking elbow grease and fucking beauty. Fucking beauty.
That'll come up a treat, that will.
Oh, aye. Hey.
Especially in the sun.
Oh, aye.
You love it, don't you? Oh my word. It's so clean.
Mad, isn't it?
You didn't have that.
Yeah. Just start looking at it. I mean, really, you could probably coat another panel and come back to it.
We've got to do another pass, haven't we?
On what?
On the boot. You got to coat it. You got to
An
do
hour later.
An hour.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was straight away.
Well, do you want me to do some filming and then you two can crack up?
Well, I'm ready.
What? Wipe it off and then coat it.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a panel.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the idea is we're gonna panel wipe it and then
We haven't got any panel wipe.
we've got enough panel wipe to probably do
Where's
the roof and the bonnet.
That's not our panel wipe.
Who's the sausage?
Sausage.
Sausage 20. That's what the S stands for in S20, isn't it? I think.
Yeah. Gosh.
It's black.
3 little slimes.
Black sausage 20. What you doing?